All right, here's my Sony ZV-E10. Now, the problem with this camera when I'm doing live streaming or when I'm doing unboxing, which I use it a lot for here, this place here. The problem is that this thing always heats up and it turns off. So I was looking for a solution and I found a solution that we're going to use. So I'm facing it down right now. I'm going to put it up here. I have power, external power for it, so I don't have to worry about battery wise. So we are gonna actually plug in something that will cool it down. So we're gonna see how long it does last, if it even works, because normally I keep it on for at least an hour and then it starts having problems turning off and on. All right, I'm gonna show you how hot it gets right here. It's been on for quite a while. And we're looking at 90 degrees already on the camera. It's going to shut down, and this is the actual lens. I mean, not the lens, this is the actual monitor. But look at it. It's extremely hot in this area right here. And I can feel it. It gets really hot and then it shuts off. All right, today we're going to bring the cooling fan for my camera, my Sony camera that I was just showing you guys right now. Now, I got this because the camera overheats a lot. And there's a couple of settings you could change too, but I want to get the best quality and I want to be able to shoot videos. I actually use it for my bird's eye view. Actually, I'm filming it on it right now. It gives me probably a majority, maybe most likely an hour, and then it starts shutting off after it starts heating up. Now, this one right here has an actual spring, if you guys can see. So the old one, you had to actually put adhesive sticker tape on it and actually mount it. Now on this one, it has a charging station because this is chargeable. All right. It comes with a type C to type A connection. Instructions are included. Also, there's a button here that you go actually manage the speeds, because there's one speed here, if you guys can see it, and then it's very quiet. You can't even hear it, and I can actually feel it very good. So there's one speed, two, and then it turns off. There's only two speeds, and right here it's going to tell you the degrees and around it, and then how hot it gets. So it actually gets really hot right behind it. So let's install it and see how it looks, and we're going to set it up on our camera. All right, so here's the camera. We're going to open it up. All right, and I do have the actual mount in here. And you guys can see, this actually just slides in here. And that's pretty much what you got to do. If you want to twist it out, you could do it the other way too. So either way, it fits either way. All right. So mostly it's this way. All right. Because if you guys can see, there's actually an indentation here, this part right here. So you can do this part right here. And of course, I'm facing it backwards because it's my bird's eye view. And then I'm going to crank it up right now. And then we turn the camera back on. And click on one, and there it is. I'm gonna let it run so it could cool off, and I can leave it longer. Now you can't close this, all right, at all. So the camera mount, you're just gonna have to live with that stuff for now. And this camera just pretty much stays here fixed. I don't have to do anything. I use it for actually just recording anything that's on the bottom of it. All right, so I'm gonna leave it under level 1. And once in a while just charge it, or I could actually run a cable and charge it automatically, but I'm gonna leave it as it is, see how long it lasts. All right, so we start at 31 Celsius. Now I see 30, so it is looking pretty good. Now it's going 29, and we're gonna come back and see, and we're gonna take it off and to see how cool it got. All right, or if it even works. All right, right now currently has been over 20 minutes. And we're at 24 Celsius, all right? And that actually a big drop from 31. So it is cranking up the actual fan. We're gonna remove it. Remove it, there it goes. Removing the fan. And let's see a little bit cooler here before it gets hot. And you know, it lowered down. It's about, you know, close to 80 in some areas. This thing is actually throwing some cool air. So it is working for the camera. It's been on for quite a while, so those are good results. I like it so far. I'm going to continue using it and let you guys know in the future how it goes. But it's working well. I hope you guys enjoy the video.